Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you where and how to download the best Xeno Executor for our game out there right now. Let's get started. First of all, we need to go to the website. I'll leave the link in the description. Click the download button and wait for our archive to fully download. Next, double-click on Xeno v1.3.55. Once it's running, just follow the prompts and wait for it to finish. After that, you can start the game and enjoy the Xeno Executor. And right now, I'm going to show you what it's capable of in-game.